When at the recent high for the year, the bulls were piling in. But now that we've corrected over 12% on SPY from the recent high, why is everyone getting so bearish? Let's go. I'm going to try and breathe some life into those that are so bearish. Timing the bottom isn't easy, but it's starting to feel like we're about there. Whether it's a 9-count perfected buy signal or a 5-wave impulsive we're completing, sit back, take notes, and start getting your buy list together. If you want to see more about the perfected buy signal on the 5-wave down, I'll provide a link for that at the end of this video. So let's start this with a blank canvas. And first, we know that the PCC, or put to call ratio, runs hot. This means that everyone and their brother is buying puts for downside protection. Most of the time, retail gets this wrong and the market reverses off this signal. Let's take the candle structure and switch it into a blue line. And you can see the MACD below. And what I've done is I've gone ahead and anywhere where I've seen this put to call ratio spike, and I've also seen the MACD go ahead and crest, I've gone ahead and put vertical lines in these areas. Next, let's add SPY, as this gives us an idea of recent highs and lows. Next, let's add the percentage of stocks trading above their 20 SMA. This bottom fissure in yellow helps us let us know when the sell-off has become stretched, and we've likely bottomed when we are in the single-digit percentages. As of Friday, we hit the low teens once again. And also, we like to see this where we see a couple hits coming into a recent low, or even this one where we see a third hit even gets us a little bit more excited. And I talked about this in a video that I did about a week ago or so. And now let's add the percentage of stocks trading above their 50 SMA in white, where we dialed in just above the single digits at 10.33 on Friday. When we take a look back, we see this is the lowest percentage since the last run started in last October. It takes quite a bit for us to become this bearish to get this low on this one. Next, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, that button that just magically lit up, as you want to make sure you don't miss all my bull signals my algorithm produces on 3x bull ETFs. So coming back to this one that happened in January 22nd, I'm not that excited, as we were pretty much still at a high value and we didn't really have any recent double dips. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that one. And also, if we look at this one that happened in December of 22, we see that, the stocks trading above their 50 SMA wasn't that low either. So we're going to go ahead and remove that one as well. So now let's just look at the 4 that are remaining here, and let's look at the last time we got into an area where all of these were coincidental. On the first one, we see that we got a pretty nice rip from about the SPY 365 area, and it went all the way up to the 426. When we look back in September, this pretty much marked the bottom of the market, and ever since then we've been in an uptrend. And once again, on a pullback, we saw that in March we got this one, and then we ripped higher, and then now currently we're at pretty much the same point again. I'm not saying that we can't hit the 400 area. I'm just saying if we do, you got to be ready. You got to flip that bull cap on. And being that now this is the third time, like I said, on the 20 SMA bottom fissure, you must like this opportunity. And if you do, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as I'm trying to see how many bulls are out there. And if you're bearish, then give me the thumbs down. That's cool too. Again, if you want to see all my signals in real time, then join the Discord for only $5 per month, and you'll get my feedback as well. As that's all I have for now until the next video, and we'll see you then.